Day 2 of the civil trial between Robert De Niro and a former assistant.
The Oscar-winning actor was back on the witness stand today, blasting the trial as total nonsense.
Antwan Lewis was in the courtroom and joins us live from Lower Manhattan with the latest. Antwan.
He was quite testy. Good evening, everyone. Let's show you some video because he just left federal court after being on that stand all day today. He said nothing as he was walking out of the building when we tried to just get him to comment on it. The 80-year-old actor is being sued by his former personal assistant, Chase Robinson. Robinson claims that she worked in a sexist environment and that De Niro would not give her a recommendation letter when she quit. De Niro and his company have countersued, saying she stole from both he and the company. A great deal of his testimony today was on 5 million Delta Sky miles that his attorneys say she took without permission. Now, one of her attorneys asked the actor at one point if he was ever hostile or inappropriate. De Niro quickly cut him off, saying no, that was not the case, and that Ms. Robinson herself is fully aware of that. Now, as you come back to us live, there were a couple of times when Mr. De Niro was giving his testimony that the judge had to let him know to answer with a yes or a no, as opposed to over-explaining, or for lack of a better term, mansplaining some of his answers. Now, the testimony will resume tomorrow, and we're still trying to figure out if Mr. De Niro will be on the stand or not. We're still hearing that he may have concluded things today, but of course we'll stay on top of that. But this is the very latest from where we are in Lower Manhattan. We'll send things now back inside to you.